video, subscribe, and click the like button below. Good morning. So, I'll be a teacher today in reading. Now, I'm gonna let you read this. Dog. C is the and then R and G. Dog. I will read you words. So, what is this? C-H-R-G. Log. C-H-R-G. Log. Now the next one I'm gonna do is this one. It's a hat. See, it's a hat. The next one I'm gonna teach you is this one. What is this? Sun. See, it's sun. Now the next one I'm gonna teach you is this one. Ant. See, it's ant. Now the next one I'm gonna read you is wag. See, it's wag. Next one I'm gonna read you is this one. What is this? Fan. See, it's fan. Next one I'm gonna read you is this one. Bag. See, it's bag. See, bag. The next one I'm gonna read you is this one. What is this? Bean. See, it's bean. The next one I'm gonna read you is this one. What is this? Rat. Next one I'm gonna read you, it's this one. Pin. See, it's pin. Next one I'm gonna read you is this one. Look. Cat. See, it's cat. Look. Cat. Now the next one I'm gonna read is this one. Cat. See, it's cat. And also the last one we're gonna do is pin. See, it's So that's it for today. I hope you liked my video. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. I